Look at this app, Grandpa. It is the best way to shop today.
Is it safe, Sophie? I am afraid of hackers and small buttons.
It is very safe. You just need a strong password and some patience.
My eyes are tired. The letters on this screen are very tiny.
I can make the text bigger for you. Now, can you see the icons?
Yes, I see a small house. What does the house mean, dear?
That is the home page. It shows all the popular products and sales.
I want to buy new boots. My old boots are very wet and cold.
Let's look for boots then. We can use the search bar at the top.
How do I type the word? My fingers are too big for this.
Just tap gently here. I will help you with the spelling of boots.
B-O-O-T-S. I see many pictures of shoes now.
This is a digital store. It has thousands of shoes in every color.
There are too many choices. I only want simple brown leather boots.
We can use a filter. I will select brown and leather for you.
Look at that. Now I see only brown boots on the screen.
This pair is on sale. You can save 20% today, Grandpa.
20% is a good deal. I like to save my money.
Tap on the picture. You can see more photos of the shoes.
I can see the back, and I can see the bottom of the boot.
It has a thick sole. It will be very good for the winter snow.
Are they expensive? I don't want to spend too much today.
They are $50. That is a very fair price for leather.
$50 is okay. My old boots were more expensive years ago.
Let's check the size. What is your shoe size, Grandpa George?
I think I am a size 10, or maybe a size 11?
We should check the size chart. It shows the length in centimeters.
My foot is 28 centimeters. Let's look at the table.
You are a size 10. I will select size 10 for you now.
Online shopping is like magic. The store is inside your hand.
Wait, Grandpa. We must check the brand name first.
Why is the brand important? A boot is just a boot, Sophie.
Some brands are very good. They last for many years and many walks.
This brand says Mountain Peak. It sounds very strong and brave.
I know this brand. My friend has their jacket and she loves it.
Can we see the materials? I want real leather, not plastic.
Let me read the description. It says 100% genuine cow leather.
That is perfect for me. Leather is very warm and very soft.
Is the color okay? It is a dark chocolate brown.
Dark brown is my favorite. It doesn't show the dirt from the park.
You are very practical. Dirt is always a problem in winter.
Can we see if they're waterproof? I hate wet socks, Sophie.
Yes, it says waterproof technology. Your feet will stay dry and happy.
This is amazing. I can find everything I need in one app.
There's a video too. Watch the man walking in the boots.
He is walking in the mud. The mud doesn't stay on the leather.
See the laces? They look very strong and very thick too.
I like strong laces. I don't want them to break in the morning.
Look at the weight. Each boot is only 500 grams.
That is very light. I can walk for a long time.
Should we look at another pair or is this the one?
No, I like these. These are the boots for me.
Are you sure? There are also black ones and gray ones.
Brown is traditional. I am a traditional man, you know that.
I know, Grandpa. You always look very classic and very handsome.
Thank you, dear. Now, how do we buy them?
We need to check the reviews first. It's the most important step.
Reviews? Are those the opinions of other people?
Yes, customers write their stories. They tell the truth about the quality.
Let's read the stories. I want to know if people are happy.
Look, this person gives 5 stars. He says they are very comfortable.
5 stars is the best. What does the person from London say?
He says, great for winter, but they are a bit small.
Small? Oh no! Maybe I need a size 11 then.
Let's read another one. This lady bought them for her husband.
What is her husband's opinion? Is he a happy man?
She says he wears them every day. The size is perfect.
Two different opinions. This is very confusing for me.
Many people say they are true to size. That is a good sign.
True to size. That means they fit correctly, right?
Yes, it means the size is standard. Size 10 should be fine.
I see a photo from a customer. The boots look very shiny.
Customer photos are very helpful. They are not like professional ads.
One person says the delivery was slow. I want my boots fast.
That was last year. Now the shop has a new delivery service.
Can I return them? What if I don't like the color?
Yes, there is a free return policy. You have 30 days.
30 days is a long time. I can decide very easily.
You just put them back in the box, then the postman takes them.
That is very convenient. I don't have to go to the post office.
Exactly. Everything happens at your front door. It's very modern.
I'm reading a review about the warmth. It is from Alaska.
If they are warm in Alaska, they are warm here. That is certain.
He says minus 20 degrees and my toes are warm.
Wow, that is very impressive for a leather boot.
I'm convinced now. These boots are the winners.
Great. I will scroll down to the buy button now.
I'm excited. My feet are already feeling warm and dry.
We just need to add them to the cart first.
The cart is empty. Let's fill it with my new boots.
Look at the screen. I am tapping the Add to Cart button.
Look, a small red number 1 appeared on the icon.
Yes, that means one item is waiting for us. It's our boots.
Can we buy socks too? I need some warm wool socks.
That is a great idea. Wool socks and leather boots are a pair.
Let's search for merino wool. It is the best and softest.
Here are some. They have a pack of 3 pairs.
3 pairs for $10? That is a very cheap price.
I will add them to the cart too. Now the number is 2.
We are shopping very fast. This is much faster than the mall.
At the mall, we have to walk. Here, we just move our fingers.
My legs are happy, but my wallet is getting a bit nervous.
Don't worry, Grandpa. You are getting high-quality things.
What is the total price now? I see some numbers at the bottom.
The boots are 50 and the socks are 10. The total is 60.
$60 for everything? Is the shipping free for us?
Let me check. Yes, free shipping for orders over $50.
That is excellent. We saved $5 on the delivery fee.
We are very smart shoppers. We know how to find deals.
Do I need to give them my address now? Where do they go?
Yes, we must go to checkout. Tap the big yellow button.
I am tapping it. Now the screen is asking for my name.
Type George Miller and then type your home address.
Maple Street, number 45. I hope the postman finds it.
They have GPS today. They can find every house on the planet.
That is incredible technology. In my day, we used paper maps.
Now we use satellites. They see everything from the sky.
I'm typing my email now. Do they send a confirmation?
Yes, they will send a digital receipt. You can keep it forever.
I have a promo code. I saw it in the newspaper.
A promo code? What does it say, Grandpa?
It says Winter Sale 10. Can we use it here?
Let me find the box for codes. It is usually at the bottom.
I see a box that says Enter Coupon Code. Is that it?
Yes, that is the place. Type the letters very carefully now.
WINTERSALE 10.
Now tap the Apply button. Let's see the new price.
Look! The $60 changed to $54.
You saved $6. That is enough for a cup of coffee.
Or 2 cups of coffee. I'm very proud of myself.
You are a natural at this. You are a professional online shopper.
It is very satisfying to see the price go down. I like it.
Now we need to pay. How do you want to pay?
I have my credit card. It is in my brown wallet.
You can use your card, or you can use PayPal if you want.
What is PayPal? Is it a digital bank for people?
It is a safe way to pay, but your credit card is fine too.
I will use the card. I need to type the long number.
Be careful. Don't show the number to anyone else.
I'm covering the screen. It is a secret between us.
Don't worry. The app is encrypted. It is very secure.
What is the CVV number? It is asking for 3 digits.
It is on the back of your card. It's a small security code.
752. I'm typing it into the box.
Great. Now check everything one last time. Is the address right?
Maple Street, 45. Yes, the address is absolutely correct.
The boots are size 10. The socks are merino wool.
Everything is perfect. I am ready to press the final button.
Press Place Order. It is the big green one at the bottom.
Here I go. 1, 2, 3, and press.
Look at the screen. There are virtual balloons and confetti.
Thank you for your order. Does that mean we finished?
Yes, your order is successful. The boots are coming to you.
When will they arrive? I want to wear them tomorrow.
Tomorrow is too fast. They will arrive on Wednesday.
Wednesday is only 2 days away. That is very quick.
You can track the package. Look at this map on the phone.
I see a little truck icon. Is my boot inside that truck?
Not yet. The truck will start moving tomorrow morning.
I can watch the truck move to my house. This is fun.
It is like a game. You can see when the postman is near.
I will wait at the window. I will wave at the postman.
He will be happy to see you. You are a nice customer.
Thank you for your help, Sophie. I couldn't do it alone.
You are welcome, Grandpa. Now you can shop anytime you want.
Maybe I will buy a new hat next week, a warm winter hat.
My friends, did you like our shopping trip? Repeat after me. I want to add this to my cart.
And say, is there a promo code for this? Very good. You are learning very important English words today.
Online shopping is easy, but be careful with your money.
I am very happy with my boots. I feel like a modern man.
You are the most modern grandpa in the world. I love you.
I love you too, Sophie. Thank you for the technology lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in our next video.
Goodbye. I am going to make some tea now.
I will help you with the tea. No app for that yet.
Not yet, but maybe in the future.
See you soon.
Goodbye.